If you own a Volvo, you are making a conscious choice to buy into quality. Introducing VOLVO P5320D ABG Tracked Paver, a CEV4 certified paver for the Indian market with paving width of 2.5 to 7.5 meters, high torque and low RPM Volvo engine with the thermo-controlled variable fan speed, and the auto idling system delivers great power with lower fuel consumption. Built on a specially designed large frame and the most rigid variomatic screed in the industry for best-in-class matte finish. The next generation electronic paver management EPM 2.5 with intuitive control and accurate onboard diagnostics ensures higher uptime and better productivity. With its durable components and round-the-clock support from your Volvo dealer, owning the P5320D has never been more rewarding. Fitted with its industry-leading comfort and unhampered visibility, it enables the operator to comfortably do long hours without fatigue, so you can expect the best output from your operators on the ground. You can deliver on the promise of quality to your customers every single time, as you are backed by the promise of quality from a Volvo.